Alright, today we're going to take a look at an LG. It's an 8000. This takes 410A. I'm not sure the age of it, but it's not all that old. I just got done cleaning this, so I figured I'd show the inside of it while I got it apart. Yeah, this is slightly different construction than the smaller ones. The base of this is all styrofoam. And it's actually very thin styrofoam. I was surprised. I had to be careful not to crack that when I was washing it. Yeah, the smaller ones, this is all plastic, the whole bottom, but for some reason, they decided to go with styrofoam on this. Yeah, these are not my favorite air conditioners to clean, these LGs. They're a little harder than, a Frigidaire or a high air. An LG compressor. It's a broad ocean fan motor. Alright, so I just figured I'd show the inside of this, why I got it apart. I got a case over here. I'm going to put it back together and then we'll start it up. We get to try to straighten out those little bumps. Alright, come right back. Alright, we got the LG all cleaned up, back together. Here's the label on this. Where's this one made? It's made in China. So it's fairly big for an 8000. Alright, let's turn this on. Get it plugged in, yes. Always goes to energy saver when you turn it on. The compressor just came on. This one runs really nice. Very quiet. I think this is low fan. This is a big pull-out filter. Yeah, I think these LGs are nice air conditioners. They're all fairly quiet. The compressor sounds real nice in this one. Not much on the top in the way of vents, just these two little things. Yeah, it's getting cold. Yeah, this works well. Let's see where we are here. There's a medium. High. Whoops. There's low again. Yeah, fans are really nice in these LGs. It's one of the nice things about them. If you like a quiet fan, then these are pretty good. This works nice. So, there you go. There's an LG 8000 unknown date. See you next time.